Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply analyze workout stats on Strava? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Strava account. Make sure that you're already logged in and tap on record. Now, when recording the workout, make sure that you select the workout section and nothing else. So it's right over there, and then simply go ahead and record it until you go ahead and do it. So let me just let it be for like 5 seconds and then pause and finish it. So as you can see, a workout for 5 seconds was done, and it's even telling me nice work. Now what I need to do in order to go ahead and see the detailed workout analysis chart, all I need to do is simply go ahead and head into the activity section right over here, and then click on view right over here. So when I go ahead and open the workout, as you can see, if I scroll all the way down, it says get smarter insights for faster progress, track your activity stats, and reach your goals with subscription feature. So all you need to do is just get the subscription, and it will show you your workout analysis just like that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.